everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Guys, kain tayo ng crabs. Yan guys. Manihabi ng crab. Crab
Why is
legs.
it so blown up?
Yan guys. So yummy.
That's worse.
Yan. Tingnan natin paano kainin itong crab legs. Yan. Oh, ang daming fish, baby. It's a lot of fish. See, look at that. You can remove already the flesh inside. Kailangan may ano ito yung ipit. Ay! Ah! Ang sarap! Sarap guys. Sarap-sarap. Ano naman natin na mainit kape. Yan, si Habi. Pinupukpok ni Habi. Yun, lulumabas. Wow! Ganyan pala pag, ang bilis ni Habi. Ako, hirap. Hani dun po. Yan guys, oh. Yung mga fish. Sarap. Madali lang pala anuhin yung laman niya. Sarap. Sarap-sarap ng
Inside
crabs.
there.
Hilain mo lang, lalabas na yung Don't
Okay.
No, this one. The now sound.
Okay, what do you want to do?
No,
Can't eat it.
no,
Well, you
honey.
gotta take them open it.
It's not of the sounds. There. Yan guys. Sabi tinatanggal ang laman. Madali lang. Mabilis. Ang lalaki ng yung flesh niya. And guys. Oh, so yummy. Yan, ang daming laman. Sa isang lang. Sa isang lang guys, oh.
You know what we should have for
It's a lot of fish.
We should have
We eat together.
hot butter. You dip it in butter.
I don't.
Some
No. Sarap. Sarap-sarap ng crabs. Yummy, yummy. Sa isang lang niya, ang daming laman. Yan, nakuha ni Hab. Yan guys.
right here.
Bibreak lang ni Habi, tapos hihilain yan guys. Yan, buong laman na kaagad ang lalabas. Ayan yung mga pinagtatanggal ni Habi. Yan guys, mga pinagtatanggal ni Habi. Ayan. Wow, sarap. Marami siyang nakukuha, laman. Yan, hindi pero buong, tingnan mo. Ang dami-dami. Nakukuha ni Habi. Yan guys. Kainin natin. Sarap ng carp.
It's hot butter on it.
Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you are new in our channel, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to click the bell button below so that updated for the next video. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.